All right, I've been spending the last hour or so messing around with the Kodu Game Lab from Microsoft. This is a really fun program that I think would be a great tool to offer to children. Let them be creative, solving problems, telling stories, and maybe even learn a little programming along the way. It's very simple, visual, block type programming. But it's really cool. I'll just show you what I did today. So, started off with a blank world, and everything you see here is something that I added. Had to program this little robot. Added those flowers and the trees and the hills and this little guy who doesn't like getting hit. And let's see, he knows how to zap rocks with his laser. The tree we added here. Yeah, so this is a lot of fun. I think children would just have a ball. Anyway, this is Kodu Game Lab.